Hi guys, week 26 and a lot has to happen this week if I want to be sailing this beauty on my birthday. But first I need to sand this down, so bear with me. Okay, so obviously that wasn't as smooth as I thought, because I'm having to go down to the white, the primer, to get rid of some of the shine. There's still some marks there, but I'm not willing to sand any more than that. I'll take the bigger marks off and I'll leave it at that. I know what Jay Romero would say, but that's not automotive, that's my boat. Right guys, that's as far as I'm prepared to go with this sanding stuff. I'm gonna use an abrasive pad here and here, and that's it. It looked better before. I should just varnish over that and call it cabra, which is goat in Portuguese. Okay, the quick shower and change clothes because I was full of black dust everywhere. I'm gonna put some masking tape around the bottom skids and I'm gonna paint them. I won't be too worried with the finishing on them because they'll get scraped straight away. This here was one of the problem areas. I couldn't get a proper finish around this, so this time I'm gonna paint all of it. And yeah, I will probably have two lines there, but at least it will be two straight lines. Bottom skid's done. It's really hot. It's 31 degrees now. I'm gonna wake up earlier tomorrow and I'll try to paint the bottom and the sides while it's cool. So need to find something else to do now. Good morning, 7 AM, 20 degrees. I'm about to start painting this hull. I'm going to do an experiment. I'm going to do one bit with this roller, this side of the skid, and the other side of the skid with the other roller. That's a short hair roller, that's a foam roller. Let's see how it goes. Last time I got to this area, it was a mess because I had one edge from this section, one edge from that section, and then coming over here there was horrible marks there and there, and then that screwed up all this bit of the painting here. So now I'm just going to create a straight edge there and another straight edge there. I'm sure it's going to look a lot better than the mess I had before. I'm not sure how often I can move the camera while I'm painting, so if it's the same angle for a long time, sorry guys. have lots of scratches on the paintwork, but I think that was the brush. Don't know why. The first coat looked really crap when I started, and then it just leveled off over 24 hours, so let's hope the same happened to this one. I think it went better the first time with the paint diluted to 5%, so that's what I'm going to do. Finished the second coat. To be honest, I think the first looked better, but the first didn't look good when I finished anyway. The paint leveled a lot over 24 hours, so let's wait and see how this turns out. For now, I'm not impressed again. Right guys, sailing schools have reopened again, so this week I had the chance to go and finish my local skipper certification, which meant I couldn't really do much on the boat. I worked 6 hours this week, mostly sanding and painting, this amazing paint job as you can see. I'm glad I still have to sand it down and apply another coat, because that doesn't look any better than the previous one. Sorry I didn't have anything else to show you this week, but next week I really have to pick up the slack. I still have a lot of things to finish before I can put the boat in the water, and I want to do that within the next couple of weeks. So guys, take care and I'll see you next week.